Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access Garry's Mod Workshop on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all of Steam's community features, including the workshop where you can browse and download custom content created by other players. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam window. Hover your mouse over the community tab. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Workshop. This is where all user-generated content lives for games that support Steam Workshop integration. Once you're in the workshop, look at the right panel of the screen. You'll see a search bar there. Click on it and type Garry's Mod. As you type, Steam will show you suggested results. Click on Garry's Mod from the suggested options that appear. This will take you directly to the Garry's Mod Workshop page where thousands of community-created mods, maps, and add-ons are available. Now, on the left panel of the workshop page, you'll see a variety of filters. These filters help you narrow down exactly what type of content you're looking for. Whether you want maps, weapons, player models, or game modes, these categories make it easy to find specific types of mods. Click on your preferred variety from the available filters. This will refine the search results to show only the type of content you're interested in. Browse through the results until you find a workshop mod that catches your eye. Click on your preferred workshop mod to open its details page. Here you can read the description, view screenshots, and see ratings and comments from other users to help you decide if it's something you want to add to your game. When you're ready to add the mod to your Garry's Mod, click subscribe. This tells Steam that you want this content added to your game. It's a simple one-click process that makes installing mods incredibly easy. After you click subscribe, Steam will automatically download the mod in the background. You don't need to do anything else. The next time you launch Garry's Mod, the mod will be available and ready to use in your game. And that's it, you've successfully accessed the Garry's Mod Workshop on Steam and subscribed to custom content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.